Hey everyone, opening image files on a desktop browser is easy, but what about Android phones? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to open image files using a browser on your Android device. It's simpler than you think. First, open the Play Store and search for File Manager. Choose and install the File Manager app by File Manager Plus. This app has a special feature that's usually not available in the default File Manager on your phone. Open the app and grant file access permission. This permission is only needed once to allow the File Manager app to access files on your internal storage. As for notifications, you can choose to enable or disable them depending on whether you find them useful or not. On the main page, tap the More menu, 3 dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Scroll down a bit and enable the Open AS option. This is the most crucial step. Before we continue, take a moment to press the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now go back to the folder where your image is located. Find the image you want to open, then press and hold it until it's selected. Next, hit that More button, the 3 little dots at the bottom right. From the menu, select Open AS. In the next dialog box, choose Other. Now you'll see a list of apps you can use. You'll notice Google Chrome, your phone's default browser, or any other browsers you've installed are available options. Let's use Google Chrome as an example. Tap on Chrome, then select just once at the bottom to avoid making this setting permanent. And voila! Your image is now successfully opened in the Chrome browser. This trick is super handy for opening image file types that your regular gallery can't read. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Droid Tips video.